Hello students, today we are going to study about electric potential due to electric dipole. Electric potential due to electric dipole. Electric potential due to electric dipole. Student, you know, in previous session we discussed about the electric dipole. That what is electric dipole? Electric dipole, when two equal and opposite charges placed at the small distance, this system it makes the electric dipole and its moment is known as dipole moment, which direction is from negative charge to positive charge, and its value P is equal to 2qL. That is product of two in charge into distance between the charge, in product of the any charge and the distance between them. Now we will study the electric dipole. Electric potential due to electric dipole. There are three conditions arises. First, in axial position. In axial position. That means when point lies on the axis of the dipole. Suppose here electric dipole whose center is O and its total length is 2L, that means this one being L and this one being L. Take a point P on its axis, which is R at the distance of R from the midpoint of the electric dipole. Then distance of the positive charge from point P is R minus L, and distance of the negative charge from point P is R plus L. Then electric potential at point P due to negative charge. No, first negative charge V1 is equal to minus Q upon 4 pi epsilon naught into R plus L. Due to charge minus Q, V2 is equal to Q upon 4 pi epsilon naught R minus L. That means net potential at point P, V is equal to V1 plus V2. That means V is equal to minus Q upon 4 pi epsilon naught R plus L. plus q divided by 4 pi epsilon naught r minus l. Now you may take q upon 4 pi epsilon naught is common, here being 1 by r plus l plus 1 upon r minus q upon 4 pi epsilon naught LCM r plus l r minus l, here being r minus l plus r plus l. Now q upon 4 pi epsilon naught is being r square minus l square, and here minus r plus l plus r plus l, r l cancel. That means v is equal to q upon 4 pi epsilon naught 2l upon r square minus l square. It's mean p divided by 4 pi epsilon naught r square minus l square, where p is equal to 2q l. If l is less than r, then l square is less than r square. So l square be needless there. So electric potential at point B is equal to P upon 4 pi epsilon naught R square. Its formula to find the electric potential due to electric dipole in axial condition at any point P at the distance of R from the center of the dipole. Next point is electric potential due to electric dipole when point P lies at the equatorial position. That means perpendicular to the electric dipole. In this case, we here electric dipole minus q charge plus q charge. Its center O. Its the distance here. It's also B. Suppose P point at the distance of R. Join PA and PB is 90 degree. In triangle POB, angle O is equal to 90 degree. OP is equal to R. OB is equal to L. Therefore, PB is equal to under root R square plus X. That means PB is equal to PA is equal to under root R square plus X square. Now, potential at point P due to plus Q charge, that means V1 is equal to Q divided by 4 pi epsilon naught under root R square plus L square. पोटेंशियल at point P due to minus Q charge. V2 is equal to minus Q upon 4 pi epsilon naught under root R square plus L square. Total या नेट पोटेंशियल at point P, V is equal to V1 plus V2. It's be Q upon 4 pi epsilon naught under root R square plus L square plus minus Q upon 4 pi epsilon naught under root R square plus L square. You may take Q four pi epsilon naught under root R square plus L square minus Q upon 4 pi epsilon naught under root R square plus L square. Here both are same, but with equal sign it's be 0. That means net potential at point P, which is in the equatorial condition, equatorial position of the electric dipole. ये वैल्यू हुई इसके लिए. दैट मीन्स इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल जो होगा पॉइंट P पे, जो इलेक्ट्रिक डाइपोल पे मिड पॉइंट के परपेंडिकुलर एक्सिस पे आर डिस्टेंस पे होगा, तो वहां पे ईच पॉइंट पे कहीं पे भी हो वो पॉइंट क्या होगा, उस पॉइंट पे इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल जो होगा वह 0 होगा. अब इसके बाद एक कंडीशन आती है इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल सॉरी से मैं लिखना भूल गया था. इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल ड्यू टू इलेक्ट्रिक डाइपोल इन एनी पॉइंट. लिख लीजिए, ये इलेक्ट्रिक डाइपोल है, ये पॉइंट ए है, ये पॉइंट बी है. ये माइनस क्यू चार्ज प्लस क्यू चार्ज, इसका मिड पॉइंट O है. इससे किसी भी पोजीशन पे R डिस्टेंस पे एक पॉइंट P है. हम PB और PA को मैच करें. ये एंगल जो है वो थीटा है, तो यहां से इसके परपेंडिकुलर ड्रा करें, तो ये एंगल पॉइंट C पे परपेंडिकुलर है, इसको आगे प्रोड्यूस करें, यहां से परपेंडिकुलर ड्रा करें, यह पॉइंट D है. तो ये एंगल थीटा है, तो ये B एंगल क्या होगा, थीटा होगा, जो कि वर्टिकली अपोजिट एंगल की. अब देखिए यहां पे इन ट्रायंगल ये थीटा जो है इलेक्ट्रिक डाइपोल और लाइन को ज्वाइन करने वाली लाइन का क्या है, बीच का एंगल है, जिसके ड्यू टू इसका पोलर कोऑर्डिनेट जो होगा r, थीटा, r, थीटा होगा. तो इसके ड्यू टू इन ट्रायंगल BOC एंगल C इक्वल टू 90 डिग्री और ये डिस्टेंस L, यहां से ये cos थीटा इज इक्वल टू बेस OC अपॉन OB. दैट मीन्स OC इज इक्वल टू OB cos theta, that means L cos theta. Similarly, in triangle ODA, angle D is equal to 90 degree, cos theta is equal to OD upon OA. That is OD is equal to OA cos theta. That means OD is equal to L cos theta. Now, if L is very small compared to R, then PB is equal to PC and PA is equal to PD. तो PB is equal to PC is equal to क्या होगा? OP minus OC, which is equal to OP is R minus L cos theta. PA is equal to PD is equal to OP plus OD is equal to R plus L cos theta. That means potential at point P due to plus Q charge V1 is equal to Q divided by 4 pi epsilon naught, 4 pi epsilon naught, PB R minus L cos theta. Potential at point P due to minus Q charge V2 is equal to minus Q 4 pi epsilon naught R plus L cos theta. Total potential at point P V is equal to V1 plus V2. That means V1 Q upon 4 pi epsilon naught R minus L cos theta minus Q upon 4 pi epsilon naught R plus L cos theta being equal to Q divided by 4 pi epsilon naught common 1 by R minus L cos theta minus 1 by R plus L cos theta. Q divided by 4 pi epsilon naught, its LCM R square, R minus L cos theta, other bracket R plus L cos theta. नेक्स्ट जब इसे हम सॉल्व करेंगे तो ये वैल्यू जो होगी ये इक्वल होगी, जब हम डिवाइड करेंगे एल आर माइनस एल कॉस थीटा से इसको कैंसिल हो जाएगा, ये वैल्यू बचेगी, तो ये हो गया आर प्लस एल कॉस थीटा माइनस इससे डिवाइड करेंगे ये कैंसिल होगा, ये बचेगा, तो आर माइनस एल कॉस थीटा। जब ब्रैकेट ओपन करेंगे तो v इज इक्वल टू q डिवाइडेड बाई 4 पाई एप्सिलॉन नॉट, ये वैल्यू होगी, एलसीएम जो होगा आर स्क्वायर माइनस एल स्क्वायर कॉस स्क्वायर थीटा, और ये वैल्यू हो जाएगी आर प्लस एल कॉस थीटा माइनस आर प्लस एल कॉस थीटा। इट्स बीन Q upon 4 pi epsilon naught 2L cos theta divided by L R square minus L square cos square theta. It's been 2QL cos theta divided by 4 pi epsilon naught R square minus L square cos square theta. It's been P cos theta divided by 4 pi epsilon naught R square minus L square cos square theta. P is equal to 2QL. L cos theta is less than R, तो L square cos square theta is very less than R square. So L square cos square theta भी neglected, तो V is equal to P cos theta divided by 4 pi epsilon naught R square. It's B. V is equal to, you may write it as P R cos theta divided by 4 pi epsilon naught. यहाँ पे हमने R से मल्टीप्लाई किया तो यहाँ से स्क्वायर था, तो ये वैल्यू हो गई Q। अब इसको आप मेंशन कर सकते हो पी आर कॉस थीटा, तो पी डॉट आर डिवाइडेड बाय 4 पाई एप्सिलॉन नॉट आर क्यू, ये जो है वेक्टर फॉर्म है। एक फॉर्मूला ये हो गया। अब इसमें चाहे तो आप दोनों कंडीशन को प्रूव कर सकते हैं, जबकि पॉइंट पी जो है परपेंडिकुलर होगा, V is equal to P cos theta divided by 4 pi epsilon naught R square. If theta is equal to 0, that means point P lies on the axis of dipole. That means V is equal to P upon 4 pi epsilon naught R square. That means axial position का फॉर्मूला थीटा इज इक्वल टू 90 डिग्री. That means point P lies on the perpendicular axis of dipole. That means V is equal to 0. क्यों? क्योंकि cos 90 की वैल्यू जो होती है 0 होती है. आज के लिए इतना ही. थैंक यू एंड हैव नाइस डे.